Greetings to everyone. It is yet another episode of the Power of Nature show by AkidaGreen. This is episode 2 of our show, and today we shall be covering about the beauty of nature in our environment. In this episode, we shall see how beautiful and important environmental conservation is. It is through conserved environment that we can create peace, happiness, joy, and love. When you get into this place, what welcomes you is the beautiful fresh air that spreads from all directions of the campus, the natural green color that softens and sharpens your eyes into another world of paradise. The rays of the beautiful sun that penetrates through the trees down to the ground. Enjoy, our dear viewers.